Hello everyone. Today we learn two-phase method. This is the third method to solve the linear programming problem. The first one is simplex, second one is bgame, and third one is two-phase method. As its name, two-phase, we have to solve this problem in two parts. The first part is phase 1 and the second phase 2. Okay, let's start with the example. Here your objective function, your objective function is of type minimization. Okay, so minimize z is equal to x1 plus x2 subject to the constraints 2x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to 4, and the another one x1 plus 7x2 is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, so both these constraints are of greater than or equal to type. Okay, so we add surplus variable, it means minus s. So we have to add minus s1 and minus s2 in both constraints. Also add artificial variable a1 and a2. Okay, now here objective function is of minimization type, so we have to convert this objective function into maximization type. So this introducing non-negative surplus variable s1 and s2 and artificial variables a1 and a2 greater than or equal to 0 to the given constraints to convert inequality into equality. Also this minimization type problem will be converted into maximization type, that is maximization z star is equal to minus x1 minus x2, where z star is equal to minus z. Okay, so this is our objective function is of maximization type. Subject, so this x1 will become minus, this x2 will become minus x2. Now subject to the constraints 2x1 plus x2 minus s1 plus a1 is equal to 4, and x1 plus 7x2 minus s2 plus a2 is equal to 7. Okay, so both inequalities converted into equality form. Also the non-negative condition is x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now let's start with phase 1. In phase 1, you have to consider the objective function like this. Okay, maximize z dash. Okay, maximize z dash is equal to 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 minus 1a1 plus minus 1a2. Okay, means जो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन में वैल्यू बेसिक वेरिएबल है, दैट इज x1, x2, s1, x2. Okay, all the coefficient of that basic variable will become 0, and only artificial coefficient of artificial variable exists, that is minus 1a1 and minus 1a2. Okay, so this is our objective function. Constraints are as same. Okay, so IBFS is obtained by setting x1 equal to x2 equal to x1 equal to s2 equal to 0. So what we have, a1 equal to 4, a2 equal to 7. Okay, this x1, x2, s1, a1, s2, a2 all will become 0. So what we have, sorry, not a1, a2. So what we have, a1 equal to 4 and a2 equal to 7. Now we have to construct a simplex table, that is this one. Okay, here two basics variable are there, a1 and a2. What is its coefficient? Its coefficient is this minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and value is 4 and 7. So right here, minus 1, 4, 7. Okay, now there are 6 variables, x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2 in objective function, and the coefficient of all that is 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, now constraints is 2, 1 coefficient of constraints are what? This 2, 1, minus 1, 1, okay, and 1, 7, minus 1, 1, okay. Here S2 is equal to 0, here S1 is equal to 0. So what is our coefficient? 2, 1, minus 1, 0. Coefficient of A1 is 1, 0. Similarly 1, 7, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now find Z dash, which is find out as CB into XB, minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 7. So minus 4 minus 7, minus 11. Now ZJ will be find out from CB into XJ. So this column into this column and adding both the term. So minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Similarly here, minus 1, minus 7, minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Similarly here, minus 1 into 0, 0. Plus minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Now we find delta J. Okay, this is our delta J. 0, minus, minus 3. So plus 3. 0, minus, minus 8, plus 8. 0, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus 1, 0. Okay. So here not all delta J is less or equal to 0. Here 2 delta J's are greater than or equal to 0. So which one is maximum? 8. So here we draw up arrow. It means what? x2 जो वेरिएबल है वो बेसिक वेरिएबल में ऐड होने वाला है. सो एंड विच वन इज रिमूव? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. मिनिमम रेशियो हियर दिस कॉलम इज योर पिवोट कॉलम. ये जो आपकी कॉलम बन रही है वो पिवोट कॉलम बन रही है बिकॉज देर आर मैक्सिमम डेल्टा जे. ओके, नाउ डिवाइड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन बाय दिस पिवोट कॉलम. सो 4 divided by 1 4, 7 divided by 7 1. Okay, which one is minimum? This one 1. So which element, which basic variable will be removed? This a2. A2 will be removed and x2 in. So here we write x2. Coefficient of x2 is what? 0. So write here 0. Okay, now this pivot element, this is our pivot element. Okay, intersection of this and this part is 7 is your pivot element. So first of all you have to convert into 1. So divide this row by 1. So सारे एलिमेंट को हम लोग 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे और इसको 1 बनाएंगे. So here coefficient of x2 is 0. Here 7 divided by 7 1. 1 divided by 7 1 upon 7. 7 divided by 7 1. 0 divided by 7 0. Minus 1 divided by 7 minus 1 upon 7. 0 divided by 0. 1 divided by 7 minus plus 1 upon 7. Now this pivot is 1. Now convert this 1 into 0. इसको 0 बनाना है तो multiply this element with minus 1 and adding in first row we get 0. So हम लोग कौन सा ऑपरेशन करेंगे? R1 minus R2. ओके, इसको R2 को माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करके R1 में ऐड करेंगे. तो इसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -1 प्लस 4 3. -1 upon 7 प्लस 2 13 by 7. -1 प्लस 1 0. -1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 ही आएगा. 0 इंटू -1 0. तो ये जो -1 वो एज इट इज रहेगा. नाउ -1 upon 7 इंटू -1. सो प्लस 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7 प्लस 0. सो 1 upon 7. 0 है तो यहाँ पे 1 वो एज इट इज रहेगा. 1 upon 7 इंटू -1 -1 upon 7. -1 upon 7 को 0 में ऐड करेंगे तो -1 upon 7. ओके, दिस इज अवर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ अगेन वी फाइंड z डैश. ओके, दिस cb इंटू xb. -1 इंटू 3 -3 प्लस 0 इंटू 1 0. सो इट इज -3. zj फाइंड करेंगे. यह सेकेंड एलिमेंट इज 0. सो फर्स्ट रो को ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. -1 इंटू 13 by 7 -13 by 7 0. -1 प्लस 1. 1 upon 7 -1 -1 upon 7 1 into -1 -1 upon 7 into -1 plus 1 upon 7. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे cj से. ओके, सो 0 minus 13 plus 1 upon 13 upon 13 by 7, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 upon 7, 1 upon 7, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1 upon 7, that is minus 8 by 7. Again, we check this 13 by 7 is, these both are greater than or equal to 0. 13 by 7 is maximum. Okay, so this column your pivot column. Okay, so divide this value of the function by this column. So 3 divided by 13 by 7. Okay, so it is 21 by 13, and 1 divided by 1 upon 7. So it is 7. Which one is minimum? Ye 13 by 21 by 13. Okay, so intersection of this column and this row is 13 by 7. So this is our pivot column. Now convert it into 1. So we have to multiply first row 7 by 13. Okay, with 7 by 13 into R1. We have to multiply first row by 7 by 13. So, and another thing here, x1 variable will be enter in basic variable, and a1 is removed from this table. So here x1, coefficient of x1 is 0, so write here 0. Okay, now multiply this 3 into 7 by 13. So what we get? 21 by 13. Here 1, here 0, minus 1 into 7 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 1 by plus 1 by 7 into 7 by 13, 7 7 cancel, 1 upon 13. Here 1 into 7 by 13, 7 by 13, minus 1 upon 7 into 7 by 13, minus 1 upon 13. Now convert into 0. Use this element 1. We have to convert this 1 upon 7 is 0. So what is our operation? R2 minus 1 upon 7 R1. Means what? R1 को minus 1 upon 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करके R2 में ऐड करना है. So 21 upon 13 into minus 1 upon 7. क्या करना है हमें? uh, 21 by 13 into minus 1 upon 7 plus 1. Okay, so what is your answer? Sorry, 21 by 13. Okay, 21 by 13 into, right, 21 by 13 into minus 1 upon 7 plus 1, exactly 3. So minus 3 by 13 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 13 by 13. So it is 10 by 13. So what we get here? 10 by 13. Okay. Similarly 13 by 7, यहाँ पे 1 है, 1 को हम लोग minus 1 upon 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 0. 0 है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Minus 7 by 13 into minus 1 upon 7. 7 7 कैंसिल, plus 1 upon 13. इसको हम लोग 0 में ऐड करेंगे तो plus 1 upon 13. यहाँ पे 1 upon 13 है, इसको minus 1 upon 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो, और इसको minus 1 upon 7 में ऐड करेंगे. So what we get? minus 2 by 13. Then 7 by 13 into minus 1 upon 7 plus 0. So it is minus 1 upon 13. Similarly इसको भी minus 1 upon 7 से मल्टीप्लाई तो plus 1 upon 7 into 13 आएगा. इसको हम लोग 1 upon 7 में ऐड करेंगे तो 2 upon 13. Okay. Now again we find z dash, otherwise z star. What is this? 0 into 21 by 13, 0. 0 into 10 by 13, 0. Okay. zj 0 into 1. यहाँ पे सारे एलिमेंट कॉलम में जो है वेरिएबल वो वैल्यू है वो 0 है, तो उसका सबके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या आएगा? 0. सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, cj माइनस zj 0 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Since all delta j is less or equal to 0, the optimum solution in this phase is x1. x1 is equal to what? 21 by 13. x2 is equal to what? 10 by 13. And maximum z star is equal to what? 0. Okay. पूरा आर्टिफिशियल निकल गया है, सो वी गो फॉर फेज 2. इन दिस फेज कंसिडर द ऑब्जेक्ट, जो ओरिजिनल ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन है उसको कंसिडर करना है. दैट इज हियर मैक्सिमाइज जेड स्टार इज इक्वल टू -x1 -x2 प्लस s1 प्लस 0s1 प्लस 0s2. ओके, सो आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल यहाँ से रिमूव हो गया है, तो हम लोग वो नहीं लिखेंगे. सो दिस इज अवर ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन. नाउ basic variable is x1 x2. What is your coefficient of x1 is -1, coefficient of x2 is -1. Value of this 21/13, 10/13 जो वैल्यू है ये जो वैल्यू है वो डायरेक्ट यहाँ से लिखनी है. 1 0 -7/13 1/13 0 1 1/13 -2/13 वो वैल्यू डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे लिख देनी है. ओके, कोएफिशिएंट है cj -1 0 0. Now again we find z star -1 into 21/13 plus -1 into 10/13. 10 plus 21 minus 31/13. zj -1 into 1 -1 -1 into 1 -1 -1 into 7 -7/13 plus 7/13 -1/13. So 7 minus 1 6/13. Here -1/13 plus 2/13. So it is 1/13. -1 -1 0 -1 -1 0 0 minus 6/13 -6/13 0 minus 6 1/13 -1/13 means all delta j is less or equal to 0. The solution is optimal. So the value is x1 is equal to 21/13, x2 is 10/13 and maximum z star is equal to -31/13. So we have in our question that is minimize z is equal to z star is equal to minus z. So minimize z is equal to 13 by plus 31/13. Okay. In phase 1 there are no artificial variable. In end of the phase 1 there are no artificial variable are there. If artificial variable are there, so we don't go for phase 2, and in phase 2 there are only one step. Okay.